What's up everyone, my name is Ben and today we'll be reviewing my favorite app at the moment. This is called Habitify and it's a very interesting app. First, let me start off by saying habits. Habits in our lives are crucial. Everything we do repeatedly is basically what defines us. Habits can either result into something positive or into something negative over the years because of the compound effect. So, if you want to reach a certain goal, what I recommend doing is clearly defining that goal and then breaking it down into something simple or a few things that you can do every single day. Once you do that, make sure to do that simple little thing every single day, and believe me, over time, maybe over the course of 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, you will certainly achieve that goal. And today I'll be reviewing the app called Habitify, and this is exactly what I mentioned earlier. It's an app that will allow you to track all your habits in detail. It will provide you with the data, results, and all that. In my opinion, it's the best app out there for success right now, and at the end of the day, it's my favorite. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. First off, we'll be reviewing the journal, which is part of the app. At the top, you have a little calendar, and at the top, you also have the plus button, which will allow you to add a habit. When you're adding a habit, you'll be presented with the little field to enter the name of the habit. You'll be given the option to be reminded every single day. You'll be able to choose what time you'll be reminded at. You will be able to choose what days you need to complete this habit on, and when you need to start performing this habit. You also have little separator which will allow you to only show the habits that you need to do for this morning, this afternoon, or this evening, or you can just click to the right button and you have basically all habits. By clicking on the completed button or complete button, you get a really nice sound which just gives you a little bit of satisfaction, in my opinion. You can also click on a habit to track it even further. Basically, if you click on a habit, you'll be presented with all the days that you have successfully completed the habit. You'll be presented with the streak, so basically how many days in a row you have completed the habit. You'll also be presented with the number of days that you have completed this habit on in total, and you'll be presented with completion rate. Under the progress section, you will get a little overview of everything basically. The overview section or the progress section will show you the days where you are most productive. It will show you the habits that you have completed basically the most often or the most times. It will also show you the current streak, your completion rate, and basically a lot of other stuff. This is something called the chain effect, because when we do something every single day, it creates momentum in your brain, and basically when you have momentum, it means that everything gets a little bit easier. You don't need as much energy to perform that habit, and basically performing good habits gets a lot easier over time, and that's why they say getting to a good habit usually takes 66 days or less. Under the settings section, you have a bunch of useful little things. So basically, first off, you have my favorite thing, you have the dark mode. In my opinion, out of all the habit apps, Habitify is the best looking. It has an incredible design, and I'm really happy with what the team has done here. You also have dark mode, which I have mentioned earlier, which will basically give you a dark feature, a dark theme over the whole app. You also have the ability to be reminded, so basically if you haven't completed all your habits by the end of the day, you'll be reminded. You also have a privacy lock, PIN code, which you can also access via the Touch ID, and a bunch of other stuff. Here are 3 or maybe 4 things why I really like this app. First off, once you buy it, if you buy the premium feature, you also get access on your Mac. So the app allows you to sign in with your Facebook, Google, or you can just register for an account. And basically, once you have an account, it will sync across all your devices. It doesn't mean if it's a Mac, your iOS device, and also Android once this app is available on Android. Another cool feature that I like is the elegant design. I also love the sound that the app makes once you complete something. It's just really satisfying. I like the constant reminders that basically remind me when do I need to do something. And I also love the fact that this app reminds me before I go to sleep if I have not completed all the habits yet, and that basically I need to complete them. This app is a little checkup buddy that checks up on you, how you're doing, if you're doing good. It also motivates you, inspires you. In my opinion, it's the best app out there. If you want to reach a goal, if you want to be successful, you should definitely check this app out and download it. Before we head off, I really want to thank Peter from the Habitify team. They're doing an absolutely incredible job on all the apps, and I'm really happy to be given the opportunity to make a video for them and also share this incredible app with all of you guys that I am, well, using to reach my lifetime goals. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, definitely consider dropping this video a like, and I'll see you all next time.